In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create readable barcode in Microsoft Access. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to display data as a scannable barcode in a report or form using a barcode font and a simple expression. First, you'll need a compatible barcode font installed on your computer. Many people start with a code 39 font because it's simple and widely supported by scanners. Install the font at the system level, then close and reopen Access if it was already running so the new font appears in your font list. Open Microsoft Access and load the database you're working with. Decide whether you want the barcode on a report for printing or on a form for on-screen scanning. Then open that object in Design View so you can place and format the control. Add a new text box or repurpose an existing one that's bound to the field you want to encode, such as an item number or ID. Make the control large enough to accommodate a barcode, give it good width and a bit of extra height, and make sure no labels or other controls overlap it. Barcode scanners need start and stop characters so they know where the code begins and ends. The exact characters depend on the font and symbology you chose, so check the font's documentation. For code 39, you typically wrap the data with asterisks. In the text box's control source, create an expression that adds those characters around your field value. For example, with code 39, use an expression like a and your field name and a, avoid extra spaces before or after the value, and ensure your data uses only characters supported by the chosen symbology. With the text box still selected, change the font to the barcode font you installed. Increase the font size until the bars look solid and crisp. Sizes in the mid-20s to mid-30s often work well. Keep the background light and the font color solid black for best contrast. Switch to report view or form view to preview the result, then print a test copy. Use a printer with good resolution and avoid scaling or shrink to fit options that could distort bar widths. Plain white paper usually scans best. Finally, verify readability with a physical barcode scanner. Make sure the scanner is enabled for the symbology you used. If it doesn't read, increase the font size, confirm the start and stop characters are correct, remove any leading or trailing spaces in the data, check that the control isn't truncating the value, and reprint on a higher quality setting. Once it scans cleanly, you're ready to roll this out wherever you need reliable barcodes and access.